Hello everyone, this is Esomno of Online Maths, and in this lesson we have to solve this equation before us. Okay, we have the first one and the second one, and the question says we should find the integer solution. Find the integer solution to this. We need to find the integer solution. Now let us solve this, and if you look at the equation, the first step we shall take is to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we can say a minus AB plus BC minus C. We have BC minus C equals 2021 minus 2020. That will give us 1. Then, in the first two terms, A is common, right? You can factor out A if you want. Or let me rearrange. I can call this A minus AB, then minus C plus BC, everything is equal to 1. I wrote minus C before plus BC. So let's factor out A here because A is the common factor. So we'll have A into A divided A is 1. AB divided by A is B. Come in here, let's factor C, but I'm factoring minus C into minus C divided by minus C will give us 1. BC divided by minus C is minus B. Everything is equal to what? 1. Then 1 minus B is common, right? So you factor it out. 1 minus B into A minus C. A minus C, everything is equal to 1. Now, because the equation is interested in integer solution, an integer must be a positive or negative whole number or 0. Okay, so we don't want a fraction or decimal. Therefore, for the solution to be an integer, it means that for me to get a product of 1, that two things are possible. Either for you to get 1 as a product, it means that you are timesing 1 times 1 to get 1, or you are timesing minus 1 and the minus 1 to get what? 1, because it must be an integer. I know that 1 times 1 over 2 will give me 1, but we don't need this because 1 over 2 is not an integer. So the only two possible cases for integer solution is either 1 times 1 or minus 1 times minus 1. So I will take the first one. Either 1 minus B is 1. So B is equal to 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0. So B is 0 here. So if B is 0, let us see what happens in equation 1. Let me substitute B as 0 in equation 1 and see what happens. In equation 1, I will have A bracket 0 because B is not 0 plus C is 2020. A times 0 is 0, meaning that C is 2020. Also, let me substitute B as 0 in equation 2. In equation 2, I'll have that A plus B bracket 0 is equal to 2021. B times 0 is 0, it has gone, meaning that A is 2021. Okay? A is equal to 2021. Then, it means that the first set of our solutions will be A is 2021, B is equal to 0, and then C is equal to 2020. This is the first set of solution. Now, let's assume that this one, the second one, A minus C, is equal to 1 as well. So, A minus C is equal to 1. Sorry, A minus C is equal to 1, yes? Now, already we've known that A minus C is 1. So, what is the value of A and C? We've already gotten A and C, but now A is equal to C. That is the logic here. A is equal to 1 plus what? C. So you look for A and put 1 plus C for A, maybe in equation 1. But that will not give you something that you want, because if you put 1 plus C here, you're having a mixture of A and B as well. So let us leave this case and try a case where minus 1 times minus 1 is 1. So you can say 1 minus B is minus 1. 1 minus B is equal to minus 1. B will be minus 1 Minus b will be minus 1 minus 1. Minus b is minus 2. Cancel out. B is equal to 2. If b is 2, let's see what happens here. When b is equal to 2, you put 2 for b. You will have a bracket 2 plus c is equal to 2020, meaning that 2a plus c is equal to 2020. Also, let us put b as 2 in the equation 2. We'll have a plus c in b, I'll put 2c equal to 2021. We can actually solve this equation. But to solve it, let us multiply the second equation by 2. Bring this equation down. 2a plus c is 2020. Now in the second equation, let's times by 2. 2 times a is 2a. 2 times 2c is 4c. 2 times this will give us 4042. Then subtract 0. 4c minus c is 3c. When you minus here, we have 20222, right? That is what we are having. Then divide by 3. You will have that. Let me clean up here. When I divide by 3, I will have 20 by 3 will give me 6, remainder 2. 22 by 3 is 7, remainder 1. 12 by 3 is 4. This is what we are having for C. And if you want to get your A, you substitute this for A. So we can now have from here A plus 2C, 2 bracket 674 equal to 2021. Right? So A plus this times this, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 7 is 14. 4 carry 1. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1, 13 equal to 2021. So A will be subtraction. So A will be 2021 minus 1348. Borrow from here 111. 11 minus 8 is 3. Borrow from here 0, 10, 9, 11, 7, 6. This is what you will have as A. So A is 673. 673. C is 674. And what's our B? B is equal to 2. This is another set of solution. You can do the same thing for the second part of the equation. And even where we have that A is equal to 1 plus C, we can actually substitute this in the original equation and get a lot of solutions. So there could be so many pairs of solutions, but let's just manage this because of time. Thank you.